Hi and welcome to Morgoths Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing the Ball Builders slices. I've been waiting all weekend for these. Let's have a look in the box, shall we? So we've got a little thank you note in there, as you can see, from the Ball Builders. Let's have a look in there and see what we've got. Well packaged. All this protective stuff in there. And then you've got the Ball logo, which is nice. Let's have a look at these bad boys, shall we? Oh, all individually wrapped. They look fantastic. They smell lovely too. I can smell them in the box. Let's have a look at these individually. Not a great start. We have to work out which one's which because unfortunately they're not been labelled. But give us a minute and we'll come back to you with that one.
Okay.
So what one we got here then, Liv?
We got Rhubarb and Custard Blondie.
Okay.
The next one
This one's the one.
Malteser and Crunchy Tiffin.
What was the next one, Liv?
Is Cookie and Cream Rocky Road.
That one looks fun. Yep.
And Kinderella.
This one looks nice. Looks very pretty.
That's Nutella.
It's got Nutella and Kinderella in it. That's good. Or Kinder. Yeah. Next one.
Next is the Snickers cookie bar.
Oh, that's my favourite with the nuts in it. Yummy yum.
And last is the cheesecake chocolate brownie.
That looks nice. Right, so let's give them a taste, shall we? Which ones do you want to try first?
I think we should try this one. I think it's called...
Crunchy one? The crunchy Malteser one, yeah?
Yes.
Right, this is the cum. Quite strong. Quite bulky. You cut it down like that, we try a bit. Oh yeah, they're fine, yeah, looks good. Try that bit with the Malteser on it?
Yeah.
You hold that one. Don't try it just yet, we'll try it all together. Right, camera woman, you try that one. Try this again, a little bit smaller for me. Imagine it might be quite sickly by the time we've gone through with them. Right, so let's give this a go, this one, guys, and see what you think.
Okay.
Bit crumbly.
Crunchy.
Crunchy, yeah. Got more cheese on it. Very
It does
chocolate.
taste like Malteser. It's got a lot of a texture of like...
Crunchy, smooth.
Yeah.
You getting the honeycomb?
A little bit.
Swap. Oh, there you go, it's honeycomb. Very fudgy, very fudgy. Fudgy chocolate. That's nice. What do you think of that one, guys?
It's good.
Nice.
That's really nice.
That's lovely. I'll eat the rest myself later.
Very sick in it.
What was this again? This was the Rhubarb Custard Blondie, I believe.
Yes.
Let's give that one a go. Really nice, quite a strong knife. There we go, try that one.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's a bit smudgy like.
A bit smidgy in the middle, isn't it? A bit squishy in the middle. I think that might be the rhubarb.
I'm excited.
Don't try it just yet.
No.
Are you ready?
It looks
So it's quite squidgy. I'm hoping it's going to be quite tart, the rhubarb. Let's see.
very easy to bite in. I like that.
You like that one?
It's good.
What's your thoughts? You get the rhubarb taste afterwards. You breathe out. You get the custard taste. You breathe out. You know, you didn't taste the rhubarb, aren't you?
Yeah. Very, very squishy, isn't it?
Very squishy. Tastes like the rhubarb and custard sweets, doesn't it? But cake form.
I'd say that's a little bit too sickly if you had too much, but just a little bit is perfect.
You can see it's got rhubarb in it, but it tastes, I don't know, that synthetic rhubarb taste to me. It's try Liv's favourite one, well, because this one she's been talking about. Let's try the cookies and cream one. All nice marshmallows in it and cookies and Oreos here. You try that nice big bit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. Have a lady. Try some of this.
Thank you.
Let's give this one a go. This one will be fun.
Okay.
Right, this one's Oreo, cookie, marshmallows. Let's give it a go. Oh,
Oh my god.
what do you reckon?
I think that's a really good one.
Yeah?
I think you can
Is that your
tell
favourite
it's,
so far?
it's nice. I think it's my favourite, yeah.
Yeah, you have my mum.
I think they definitely children's one, isn't it? Very
That's a
crunch
lot
one.
of crunch, yeah.
Yeah, this one I don't really like any of that in there, so that's one not for me.
Okay.
But as long as you
That's
like
what I
it,
It's nice.
you love marshmallow, don't you?
Nice summery one, that one. Yeah. So far, so good. They taste quite nice. So very, yeah, I'm enjoying them.
I'm actually really excited to try this.
Yeah? Okay, let's try another one. Cheesecake,
Chocolate
brownie. Oh, this one looks very fudgy.
It has a bit of Nutella in it as well.
Does it? You sure?
Yeah, I think so.
I
think no, the
that
other
one's
one
got
has
Nutella
one,
in it.
Oh, I think that's that one.
Nutella and Kinder, I think.
One of them does.
Just do them a little bit smaller, Dave.
Yeah.
I do like my big portions. Try this bit, Liv. Look at that. Very fudgy chocolate. Give that one a go.
Thank you. Oh, it's really like.
I'll try that bit. Have a lady's feeling a bit sicky now on these. I'll give a little piece so she can try that. There you go. Try a little piece.
Thank you.
This one.
It does look very fudgy, doesn't it? Right, let's give this one a go.
Okay.
I like that.
It tastes more of the brownie, I think.
Yep.
That's really nice.
Cheesecakey. Liver's not looking very impressed. Not liking that one? Too adult-y, that one, isn't it?
It's too brownie.
That's a proper adult's one, that one. With a nice cup of coffee or a tea, I think, that one.
Yeah, not really.
It's a nice fudgy chocolatey one.
Should I
Okay.
just put this one here?
Yeah, put it there. I'll get that later. Don't worry about that.
I can have a drink after that. The Kinderella.
Cinderella. Nutella and Kinderella.
I'm excited.
So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to cut a little bit on this because eating all this is getting a bit rich now. Getting a bit sickly for all of us, I think. So we'll just try a little bit of this one. Okay. Little piece of that one for you.
Thank
Good girl. Have a lady.
Thank you.
It's only a little bit, but you should get a taste from it. See what it's like.
I really like this one.
This is strange.
It's like a nutty bit, isn't it?
Very, again, very fudgy. What do you reckon?
I'll give it about an 8.
About an 8. Okay,
Close
quite
enough
good.
to 10.
Okay, that's nice. Camellia's not looking very nice on this one. I like it.
It's
One last one.
Don't really do nuts.
the last one.
Right, one last one.
Okay, so this is Snickers, yeah?
This is the Snickers one. Let's give this a go. Only me and Liv are going to have this one. This one's got nuts in it. That's why we left it till last. Okay, bit there for you, Liv. Try that one. Just cut myself a smaller piece because I said earlier, a little bit too sickly with this in one go. Right, let's give this a go, shall we? This tastes very much like the other one, the Blondie one. Doesn't it?
Yeah,
What do you think,
Just-
Olivia?
it's good.
But it's the same as the other one. Tastes very
Kinderella?
much- Yeah, it tastes very much the same sort of taste as the Kinderella one, but with Snickers in it.
I do like It's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, okay. Would I buy these again? Probably not, to be honest with you, but if you have like a special occasion and you have people around, they're quite nice, quite a talking point. They're nice to try these things, but a bit sickly, maybe not try them all at once. Yeah, they're okay.